Hi guys, welcome to Clever Shakes. I'm Sarah and in this episode I'm gonna tell you something very nice. You asked before to yourself why rich people are rich, what they do different than the popular people like the population or the 95%. I know the secret and the secret I'm gonna give you today. So all the time, the successful people, the entrepreneurs, and the people have a lot of gratitude. They are very productive. How to convert your free time in a productive time? Step number 1. This step is just to do a brainstorm. Think what do you want to do or learn something new. If you want to learn something new, think what do you want to learn. Can be ability, physical, mental, whatever. A new habit that's gonna improve your life and gonna drive you where you wanna go. Try to write down something that you can reach. Something that you can reach with your money, and you have the tools here, you have that motivation to get it. Do your brainstorm. Step number 2, we gonna start to looking for through Google or wherever, or you can find here in the description some of the websites that you can find for free many courses about a lot of things.
Financial, a language course, something like that.
I'm gonna give you here a lot of options. Of course, I'm gonna drop you here the link where you can find courses online for free, but to build your own brand.
Because, we are in a branding channel.
We're gonna focus in find our course. The perfect time, the perfect price. If you want to pay for it, do it. If you have the money, invest on yourself. Step number 3. We gonna do something very simple with this. We have the methodology and we have very clear in our mind what we want. It's time to organize and plan this. We should to organize this methodology and these courses in our time. So we're gonna organize in time and in our space.
It's very important to this time match with our time.
How we gonna do it? Here in the description, here down below, I let you add link to go to our website and get 4 completely free and planner. A weekly planner filled with your free time. So you can organize these, or you can use your phone, you can use Google Calendar. Step number 4. Now we gonna adapt this methodology in our routine. So the invitation is to do it at the same time, around the same days. In that way, habits work. If you see another video here in Clever Shakes, you can find how the habit works in your brain. And the brain recognizes always the same signal at the same time with the same recompense. So we're gonna do it with our new skill too.
In the beginning, you're gonna be very lazy. But after 2 weeks, 1 week, your brain gonna use to do it and you don't gonna be lazy to do it.
In your planner, please put this new activity during your routine around the same time. Step number 5. Yes guys, this step is very important because we need motivation in our new skill.
If we are not motivated, we don't gonna do anything.
We're gonna be lazy, we are gonna be refusing, and we're gonna give up. The little secret, the spicy sauce I have for you in this step is create small goals
or mini goals, I say.
When we have a big plan, we should to divide this big plan in small plans. With a short times, our brain can recognize the process of something, gonna make it real. You can check how is your process, how much you advance in something. Step number 6. This step and next step are more advices than steps. This is something for you apply for your life.
Yes, guys, that happened to me before. Sometimes happen to me. I don't gonna lie you. Sometimes happen, but I fight with my mind to this.
Don't be perfectionist. This kill everything. Kill all your wishes, kill all your goals. Being perfectionist don't gonna make you start a process.
Only gonna make you feel like nothing, like shit.
If you are not good in the beginning, it's fine. Kill that enemy and keep going in your process. Step number 7. I told you before, this is not a step. The steps was until number 5. And this advice is about be positive. Positive. Believe in yourself. Love yourself. And always, when you try your best, you have the seeds to harvest in the future.
Very cool things. Everything you see on the ground, on your projects, on your routines, you're gonna see a beautiful harvest for tomorrow. You're gonna get it.
So be positive, go for it, don't give up, and let's find and start that new skill or improve yourself. If you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Also visit our website, Clever Shakes, and our social media, Instagram and Facebook. Here you can find all things that can help you to build your brand and improve yourself. So guys, check your mind and be clever.